First, let's start with a problem. Suppose I want to implement a function here called swap, whose purpose in life is just to swap two values, a and b. I just want to do a switcheroo. Let's first do this with a sort of mid-lecture snack for at least one person. Would anyone be up for OK, that was fast. Volunteering. Come on up. What's your name? Kelly. All right. Thank you for volunteering so suddenly. Kelly, David, nice to meet you. OK, so very simple task at hand. I have here 2 empty cups. We have some orange juice. OK, put this in here. And we've got some milk over here. Should stand out, very different colors. OK, I would just like you, Kelly, if you could, swap those two values. Orange goes into milk, milk goes into orange, please. That is cheating. OK. No, literally the cups. I put them in the wrong cup. I prefer my milk in the other cup and my orange juice in the other cup. I'm sorry. OK, that is not available to you. OK. OK, so you're struggling. Why are you struggling?
Because I'm going to mix them, and then it won't be the same.
Right. So I mean, obviously, like this is kind of a losing proposition. You can't really do this. What would make this easier for you besides just putting them back in the bottles?
Having another container.
Yeah. So you need like a temporary storage space for this. You know, let me, Tara, we get some more cups over here. This will make it easier. OK, so if I get you some temporary space, here you go. Could you solve the problem now, please? Very nice. A little contamination, but that's OK. But I need that temporary cup back for Tara.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, OK. Thank you. All right, a round of applause, if we could, for Kelly here.